Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your phone and account are ready. First, confirm the device has a working fingerprint sensor and is running a supported OS. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that Google Pay is installed and updated. Also verify that a secure lock screen method, PIN, pattern, or password is already set. Otherwise, the app won't accept fingerprint as the payment method. Once those prerequisites are validated, open Google Pay and we'll proceed to the payment authentication settings. You now enable fingerprint authentication within Google Pay. Open the app, tap Settings, then look for Authentication or Security options. This is where Payment Auth lives. Select Use Fingerprint and the app will prompt you to confirm an existing fingerprint or add one via the system dialog. When prompted, authenticate using your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password so Google Pay can link to the device biometric key. Once the confirmation completes, the app will show fingerprint as active for in-app purchases and contactless payments. Finish by testing the setup so you're confident it works at checkout. Make a small contactless payment or an in-app purchase, and when prompted, place the registered finger on the sensor. You should see immediate approval. If authentication fails, re-register the fingerprint in device settings, ensure the sensor area is clear Google Pay cache, and confirm the app has required permissions. If problems persist, update device software and Google Play services. Most issues resolve after re-registering and a quick restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.